Mbolea ambao imeingia maraba. Tumeanza kupata tena fake fertilizer. Na hatujui serikali inafikiria nini, alafu tupate ndio tuende kama wakulima ndio tuende kwa shamba kwa njia mzuri, tupate mavuno kwa njia mzuri. Saa hii tukiongea hivi, wakulima wetu wamepata mbolea ambao ni mjanga, sio mbolea. Na hatujui serikali yetu tukufu itasema nini juu ya wakulima wetu. Na tunaomba siku ya kupanda imechelewa. Na tungeomba serikali ya county na serikali ya national government watufikirie kama wakulima wa Tindret tupate mbolea, hasa vale hii ya Tindret ya Gabriel na Songo. Kwa jumla tupate mbolea serikali kwa bei mzuri na tupate mbolea ile mzuri, isiwe mjanga.
It is a tragedy that such thing said by the government all over can be contrary to what we are seeing to the ground. If possible, let me plead to His Excellency the President William Ruto that the issue of guac or fake fertilizers be addressed in as soon as possible, so as farmers we can get quality fertilizers in this planting season. We are also not aware of whether this fertilizer will make, because if at all the fertilizers given out in the National Cereals Board are not that quality, and then we can soon come to the stage where we cannot manage quality production. Hence, it may lead to anger. And that is what Mr. President says always, that we are out to the solution of. But let there be a scrutinization in the cereals board, so the fertilizers getting inside the cereals board will be checked for their quality. Employ a human resource on the checkup of the same, so that as farmers of Tinderet, as farmers of Kibukwo can be ascertained to have the quality fertilizers. If a quarter or a half the farmers will get the fake fertilizers, and then it is frightening that the production may lower and hence cause